Okay, today we're going to take a look at two NOMOS glass chute unboxings. We have the Ahoi Neomatik Atlantic and we have the Ahoi Atlantic with date. Very cool to open up these two timepieces in one session. So let's start with this beautifully wrapped tissue paper and tear it off. See what we have here. First off, a little bit of watch roulette here. Tidy box. Leather box. Ooh, very soft. Very nice. Very nice presentation, NOMOS. Beautiful attention to detail. This is the date. We have the date. And little snaps holding this in place. So cool. So the date is slightly bigger. This is a 40.3 millimeter case. Diameter with lug-to-lug measurement of 51 millimeters. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful movement. Very nicely presented with anti-reflective coating on both sides. This is, of course, an in-house movement from NOMOS. They have only done in-house since 2005, and this is actually, it's hard to believe this is the larger of the two timepieces. This is 40.3 millimeters in diameter. Actually really great on my wrist, which is on the smaller side, on the more delicate side. So let's get this puppy on. Nylon strap, a little bit sort of anti-fancy for a very fancy timepiece. So nice. It's really clean. This is my first experience with a NOMOS. I've never ever put one on my wrist before. Only admired them from afar. And oh, this is not the date. Silly me. This is the smaller Ahoi Neomatik. This is 36.3 millimeters, so that makes a lot more sense. Let's get this dialed in here. I was moving too fast. So this is 36.3 across, and it's stainless steel case, of course, domed sapphire crystal, very slightly domed. Let's take another look at the back real fast. Atlantic blue dial with hour indices and sand colored super luminova with green outline. It's pretty subtle. Let's get a closer look here. It is just so tidy. The construction is so tidy and the design is really beautiful. Screw this back in for proper clearance. Lug guard around the crown there. Put it back on. Yeah, this makes a lot more sense. Smaller case. Almost feminine, but not quite. I might actually prefer the slightly larger case for my wrist. So let's try on suspect number 2. Very nice design, beautiful piece. Okay. So that was the 567 reference. Now we'll look at the 558 reference with the date window. Okay. You know, packaging is such an important part of the whole experience of luxury items. It's not just about the object itself, it's how they're presented, and then of course the experience after you own it is yet another component of luxury that people don't really talk about, you know, warranty claims and whether or not it fulfills in the long run as a purchase or an acquisition. But right now, here in the moment that we are in right now, here is the next piece. 558 Ahoi Atlantic Date Sapphire. Take the plastic off here. Oof. Very, very pretty. Look at that. Look at the light there. Nice, discreet, clean detailing. It's not overdone. Just very sort of modern. just like the font, just like the NOMOS font, is really representative of their overall aesthetic. So that date window down there is so discreet because it takes on the same font and almost the same size as the number. So right there at the 6 o'clock marker, you can see why I mistook it for the other watch. Same crown guard situation here. Oopsie. Let's get this set so we can see a little bit more. Screw this in. Nylon strap, a little antithetical to a luxury watch, but it is in keeping with the modern aesthetic of this piece. Even, you know, the edge of the case there is so clean. Okay, here we go. This is a great proportion on my wrist. Check this out. Just get this going here. That's a good look. I think this is just right. So this one is 45.5. Excuse me. This is 40.3 millimeter case. I'm getting my numbers all mixed up today. 40.3 millimeter case, slightly larger, 51 millimeters lug to lug, but it really just works nicely. Look at that. I think it fits me just right. Doesn't feel too tall. And it has a slightly big lug to lug distance, but for me, this is just about right. I want to take one more look at the smaller watch because it has a very thin, has a very thin movement. It's 3.2 millimeters in height, and it is the 3001 movement that is, let's see, 9 stacked postage stamps thick. So it has NOMOS's proprietary escapement, as does the other watch, and their famous swing system. So side by side, 36 millimeters, 40.3 millimeters. See the thickness there. You see the double coated display back here, anti-reflective. Very, very nice pieces. My first experience with NOMOS. I really like what I see so far. Can't wait to try these on, wear them for a week, and see how it is to live with them. So, thank you so much for watching. Good stuff. Cheers, guys.